What's up YouTube family, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make $180 and even more than that by just typing names. By the end of this video you will be able to earn that much money per day guys, and the eligibility to be working this job and earning money online is you should have laptop or mobile phone. You should have internet connection on your mobile phone or laptop, and you should have almost 6 hours a day to work online. So guys, if you fulfill these all the criteria, then you are good to work. And sorry to say that, but if you don't fulfill these all the criteria, then this video is not for you. You can leave this video right now. This is very easy to start. If you are a complete beginner, then also you can start and earn money online. And if you are an expert, then it's very good. That means you will earn a lot, huge amount of money, and you can also have this working job as a passive income from home. And guys, the most beautiful thing is that you can work from wherever you are in this world, because this is international and it works worldwide. So now guys, without further ado, let's start the topic. Guys, here this is the dashboard of this website, and don't worry, I'll give the name of the website at the end of this video, so make sure you stay to the end of this video, otherwise you will not be able to earn money from online and typing these all the things. Okay guys, here are a lot of other jobs also available, such as online proofreading jobs. You can see here you can earn up to $10.50 to 37.50 or more per hour guys, as your skills and experience grow, so your bank balance. And similarly guys, here are other jobs like online paid survey job, affiliate marketing job, which pays you $1,250 per month. That means your estimated earning capacity can be 400 per day or even more than that. So here guys, you can check these all the jobs yourself, but in this video I'm gonna teach you how you can make money online typing the words and names. As we can see here guys, a wonderful way to earn money with your fingers. If you want to earn some extra money working from home on your own computer and schedule, then online typing job is perfect for you. You will find jobs for all levels of typing skills, from beginner to an expert home-based typist guys. We are looking for a typist to perform typing and word processing tasks of our worldwide client. There are no minimum entry barriers, but you can find out more about the basic requirements. So here guys, if you are a complete beginner with no experience or skill, then also you can earn money online by typing from your own home guys. So it can be a huge opportunity for many of us. So now guys, here let me show you top pay. You can earn up to $13,500 to 27,000 or more per year. As your skills and experience grow, so will your bank balance. So guys, it is a huge opportunity giving platform for many of us. Okay, you should definitely try this. As I said earlier guys, we do not need joining fees in this website. Registration is absolutely free. There is no hidden cost before or after the joining, and we don't ask about investment to you on any stage guys, so it is absolutely free. Click on apply now, and then we come to this page. We need to scroll down, and now guys, here is a select an application form. We need to click on that. Now here guys, we need to click on online application form, and now here we need to click on fill in your details to apply and work with us. Click on that. Guys, if you are new to the channel or if you have not subscribed to our channel, then there is a red subscribe button down below. Subscribe the channel and turn on the notification so that you don't miss any upcoming new videos on making money online. And guys, when we come to this page, here is the privacy policy. We need to accept it. You need to fill up this personal information: first name, last name, email, contact number, resident country, zip codes. And guys, here are a lot of countries from where we can operate this job. And guys, let me know from which country you are. Comment your country name in the comment box below, so that I can make more videos on making money online on your specific particular country. And guys, here I want you to pay close attention on the preferred job title. We need to input here professional data entry specialist guys, because this will make you get the job easier. And guys, here what time is best for you? 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. and here are also more options we can choose. And guys, I recommend you to choose all days so that you can earn maximum money from this website. And your best way to receive earning, it accepts a lot of PayPal, Payoneer, wire transfer, direct deposit, Skrill. Guys, whatever you want, you can choose whatever is good for you. And then current profession status, you can choose here self-employed. And then you need to accept the above statement, and on signature you need to insert your full name, and then check on I'm not a robot, and then click on submit. Now guys, it has said thank you for your application, we will be in touch soon. As soon as you get the confirmation letter for the job, you will be able to make $200 or even more than that by just typing words. If you have not subscribed to the channel till now, there is a red subscribe button down below. Go and subscribe the channel and turn on the notification so that you don't miss anything. We upload daily videos on making money online on this channel. And if you turn on the notification, I promise that I will notify you.